Okay, ready? I feel stupid. I know, but it's just funny having you here. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we have a guest artist, Ant Mac. Alright, so Ant thinks that he can do my makeup better than myself or anybody else. So I did half of my face, and he's gonna have to do the other half of it.
I got it.
Alright. He thinks he knows what he's doing. So this is gonna be fun. So he's never done this before.
No. I watch her enough to think I can already do it.
Like, remember when we first started dating and you used to come over and I would do my makeup and you would literally watch me the whole time.
I used to watch her because
I'd be so pissed. I'd be like, stop looking at me. You ready?
Yeah.
Alright guys, we're gonna get into the, I guess this is a tutorial, or I don't know.
We'll find out.
Alright.
We're just gonna go with it.
Yeah, we're just gonna go with it. Alright, Ant, you ready?
Yep, let's do it.
Alright, let's get into the video, guys.
Alright guys, so we are gonna start with Brown Bomb. I don't know who this is by.
Okay, first of all, it's by In the Village, and it's Brow Bomb.
Oh, I thought it said brown. I thought it said brown.
No, Brow Bomb, and it is the brunette shade.
Which one we use?
It's this one.
Oh, this one. Okay. Let me look at what you did. Wait. No, I messed up already. Making them twins, baby, not sisters. They're twins.
Brows are sisters, not twins.
Nope, these babies are going to be some twins.
Ant thinks that they're going to be twins, so let's say. Ant, you look like such an artist.
Oh, God.
No, don't say, oh, God. Alright, go ahead.
Let me see. Oh, yeah, that's a lot better. Yeah, you don't want to do the ones where they go up like here, because then you look like you have a Nike Swish shine. You don't want that. First step done.
That actually looks pretty good. You did pretty good. See how, like, it's all...
What the fuck? He literally just flew right at me and attacked me.
A stink bug.
So now we're going to use this morph stuff.
It's concealer.
It's
we're
concealer.
using concealer.
And then we're going to put a little concealer, and we're going to go... well, that's a lot. We're going to go underneath this thingy, your caterpillar. It needs to be trimmed, like, really bad.
Are you serious?
Yeah. And we're going underneath to blend it in.
We won't do this anymore. Alright.
So now we got this primer that we're going to put all around that thing. Her eyelid. Alright. So close your eyes.
Oh, God.
Whoa, this is, like, really thick. Stop, you're messing me up. Close your eyes.
No, it's fine. You just gotta, like, move it all over the place. This is your video.
Oh, yeah. I'm the star. They're like too smushed now. I can't.
Okay, good.
That was better.
You're the artist.
Next step is we're going in with the Morph palette, which is color. It doesn't say on here. It says 35R. 35R. And we're going to use, I think, 5 colors. So we're going to start light and then go dark, and then we're going to end with the gold bling bling. It'd be like 2 chains. You get the bling bling. So here we go with the lighter one. We're going to go all the way around. Next we're getting the darker color. So we get like all here too.
Are we doing a smoky eye?
I don't smoke cigarettes, but I guess. Don't laugh when you get your makeup done, because the artist can't do anything.
You're just cracking me up.
Wow, that's looking good, man. So now with this third darker one, we're going to do more towards the corner of the eye, not the inside, because if you do, you look gothic. Don't wrinkle your eyebrow. Alright, there we go. We're going in with the dark one in the corner here. Blend it. Yeah, we're going to take the lighter one again, because I went a little too far with the third dark one. And we're just going to try to blend it back in a little bit. Now we're going to do the bling bling. We're going to do the inside of the eye now, here. So we're going to get inside, where her eye boogies will be. Wait, you laughed and I messed it all up.
Oh, no, you didn't.
Alright. I need to just grab globs of this. Turn to me a little bit, because I can't really see. Yeah, see, yours is like so thick. You look like a princess. You look like an Egyptian, like, pharaoh, because you got so much gold on you.
I feel like I'm going to open up my eye and there's going to be like gold coming on my contact.
There's not. How do you get so much on it?
Anthony, I'm an artist. I've been doing this for years.
I've been doing this for 2 minutes and I already look better than you did in 3 years. Oh, that's enough. All
Do you want to clean up? Like, do I have any like falling shadow on the side, or do you want to leave it like that?
There's not enough shadow yet.
Okay.
We're gonna go back in real quick with just a little bit. Now we're gonna take a Q-tip. But how much do you use? Wait a minute. Is this clean? What this is gonna do is clean up all this stuff right here. A lot of girls don't do this, and it's like the walk of shame, and then it's all over the place. Like, make sure you clean up after yourself.
I'm cutting that part out. My skin feels raw.
She looks like a goddess, so who cares? Eyeliner. Looks like a paintbrush. I've never seen it like this before. Oh, it's like a little Sharpie pen. Oh no, I got this. Now don't make a wing that looks like you're gonna fly away. Don't do that, because you're not a dragon.
I'm so excited for this part.
Because this is the hardest part.
Yeah. Okay.
My hand is shaking so bad. Okay. I can't control it. I could not be a doctor. Stop laughing. You just made me mess up. You laughed and it moved and it messed it up. How far did you go? Alright.
I just spit my gum out. Does it match the eye that I did?
Turn. Oh yeah, that matches.
Wait, you actually did really good.
Now we take the mascara. Underneath, up it, like.
Can the camera see what you're doing?
I have no idea. Now we're gonna go up. Oh, no, I messed it up. Damn it.
Say.
This stuff is so thick. Alright, I'm putting foundation all over her. Then I'm going with the blendy brush, which is like $30 for this stupid thing.
Okay, it was $5 at In the Village.
$5 in the Village, go to Sephora. So now we're gonna just like blend it all in.
You're aggressive.
When she cuts my hair, she almost kills me.
I have gentle angel hands.
So now we're gonna take some concealer.
Do you know what concealer does?
It makes ugly girls pretty. A little bit under here, all the blemishes on them, on girls. I mean, guys, you can do makeup too, but.
You need to watch more YouTube.
I need to watch Gina. Wow. And then we're gonna go in and we're gonna dab it.
I feel like you're going over my eyebrow.
I'm not touching the eyebrow. I need to go over that brow again.
Yeah, I told you were wiping it off.
Alright, just cut this part out. Oh wow, I fucked it up so bad. Let me just clean that up. So now we got foundation, and then we put the concealer. So now we're gonna do the under eye.
Did you contour my nose? I showed you how to do this before we sat down.
Oh, okay.
Haven't you watched any of my videos?
Not one.
Aunt tells me that I have a big nose.
I don't say that.
We're gonna bake.
We're gonna bake. We're gonna make some cookies and pie. So I got some flour. We're gonna basically bake. I guess go all over. It goes on the side of her nose.
You're supposed to set my concealer. Are you ready to contour?
Yeah.
You're gonna wipe all that off later. This is your favorite part. You gotta tell them. Tell them this is your favorite part.
Apparently this is my favorite part. So we're gonna make it look like she has really big sideburns.
What?
We gotta blend it in. So we're gonna blend it in.
Why are you holding my neck like that?
Because she's moving.
Show them how you're like grabbing my neck.
That's good enough. That's good enough. Good enough.
Yes.
Alright, wiping the baking because it's out of the oven. It's done cooking. Now we're gonna do some rosy cheeks with some blush.
Is that my cheek?
Where's your cheek? This is your cheek? Make sure you hide your mustaches too. For all you guys that are watching this, the Bronze Age was Spartans. So now we're gonna go like all over with the bronzer. But
do you know what contouring does?
it makes you look like something that you're not. Fake. I mean, whatever. At this point, it's already a disaster. Now we're doing under eye, which I thought was going to be done like 12 steps ago. But Gina apparently likes to save it for the end because it's a big surprise or something. Alright, so we're going under.
We're going under.
Now we're going to do the lips. My mom always used to do her lipstick in the car, so.
So you watched enough that you're going to be good at this?
No, I just thought girls only did their lipstick in the car.
Alright, this is lip liner.
We're going to do lip liner first. Alright, close your lips. Okay.
Do they match?
No.
With the lip liner? Or
I gotta go up. It's like a frowny face. Wait. What the hell, man? I need to clean this up. You clean up. I'm doing a tutorial.
I missed this.
So Gina forgot her fan brush at home, so to highlight, I can do both sides with not a fan brush, so I'm not a fan of that. No pun intended. Haha.
See all that shine?
Up on the cheekbone. My eyeliner looks better than hers.
No, it doesn't. This is because I let you do the good side of my face, and this eyelid is better.
That is the most obnoxious excuse I've ever heard.
That's true. Yay! So Aunt just finished my face, so we're gonna do a close-up, and you guys can check that out. So you can really see how the eyeliner looks.
I charge by the minute. If you ladies want it done, just call me.
Alright guys, I just want you to see this makeup look up close, so let's just look at my eyeliner compared to Aunt's eyeliner. It's not bad. I'm impressed. I'm actually pissed that it looks this good because I wanted something to make fun of. My eyebrow is a little weak, but that's okay. We can work on that. We can definitely work on that. Do you want to say it?
So, yeah. Alright guys, so if you want to see more of our videos, which is mainly her, because I'm not going to be anymore, subscribe to her. Just press the like button if you like it down below, and then subscribe. And then if you want to see more videos, we got them. Boom.
Who wouldn't like this video?
I don't know.
Why are you moving? Yeah, we're done the video.
I know, but I want to fix it so you can show everybody.
Who am I going to show?
Your mom.
My mom?
No.
Just sit down.